Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can find the meal plans in the MyFitnessPal calorie counting application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the plans button at the bottom of the page. And as you can see, here you will find all the meal plans and exercising plans that you can find in this application. So for example, you can search for just meal plans or workout plans, nutritions, and then you can start the plan anytime. You have a little overview and then the schedule here. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.